Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to collect gravity form responses to StackBuy automatically. So the idea here is that you are a businessman and you are collecting leads from the form submission. Now you want that whenever the gravity form which is embedded on your website, the form is filled, automatically the details of the customer should be collected to your StackBuy table. For this, we need to create a connection between gravity forms and StackBuy so that whenever the form is filled, automatically the form responses or the details of the customers are saved or collected into your StackBuy table. So before learning the integration process between gravity forms and StackBuy, first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So Gravity Forms is a form building software application which is a plugin of WordPress. So in place of Gravity Forms, we can even use Contact Form 7, Elementor Form or any other form building software application. And the second application we are using is StackBuy, which is a spreadsheet program. So in place of StackBuy, we can even use Google Sheets, Airtable, Grist or any other spreadsheet program. So how we are going to create an integration between both these software applications, this we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my web page where I have embedded the form, that is my gravity form over here, where I am collecting the name, email address and the mobile number of the customer. And this is my StackBuy table. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, that is my gravity form, automatically the details of the customer should be captured over here in this particular StackBuy table. So let us fill up the form details over here. I'm just going to give the full name as Adam Smith, email address as adamsmith22@gmail.com and I'll add the mobile number. And let's click on submit. Okay, so the form has been filled over here. Now let us check our StackBuy table. And here we can find the customer details, name as Adam Smith, email address and the mobile number. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled the form over here on my web page and automatically customer details are captured here in my StackBuy table. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between Gravity Forms and StackBuy, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Gravity Forms and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the customer through the form submission. And using those details of the customer, automatically the same details will be added to your StackBuy table. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Gravity Forms and StackBuy using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. And you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Integrate Gravity Forms with StackBuy. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So So in this use case, we want that whenever the gravity form is filled, automatically the details should be captured in your stack by table. So open this trigger window, and here in the choose application, let us find gravity forms. In the trigger event, we have to select new response. Now here we can find a webhook URL, and here we can find some instructions that are also mentioned. Now here I want to give you an important information that when you purchase Gravity Form Lite version, then only it allows us to set up the webhooks. Okay, so as it is a plugin of WordPress, I'll just take you to my WordPress dashboard over here. So this is my WordPress dashboard. Here we have to come to the plugins section, and you have to install the plugin that is Gravity Forms on your system. Okay, as I have already installed, I am just moving to install plugins section. And here in the search window, we are going to search for webhooks. And here we can find Gravity Form webhooks add-ons. So when you install Gravity Forms plugins in your system, then only this particular option, that is Gravity Form webhooks add-ons, will be available. Okay, so you have to just click on this activate button to set up the webhook on your form. Okay, here we can see that it is activated now. Now we'll be moving to the form which we have already created. I'm just opening the form. So I have created a simple form over here named contact form, and here I'll just move to the settings of this particular form. Okay, and here when we scroll down, at last we can find the webhooks option. Simply click on webhooks. Now here we can see a webhook already over here. I'm just going to click on this add new webhook. Now here we have to give a name to the webhook. So let us give it as Stack by Integration. Here we have to give the request URL. So this will be the webhook URL which we have seen in Pabbly Connect. So we are moving to Pabbly Connect. We will copy the webhook URL from here, and we will be pasting the same webhook URL over here in Gravity Form. Now here we have to select the request method as post, request format as JSON format. Okay, here we have to select the request body as all fields, and simply click on save settings. Okay, and here we can see that the settings has been updated. Let's go to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form. So I'll just go to the form which I have already created named contact form. And here we are going to give up the details on the name of a customer. So let us give it as Shikha Arya. Email address as Shikha Arya 25@gmail.com. And here we have to add the mobile number. And let's click on submit. Okay, and here we can see that the form has been submitted. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received, and all the details of the form submission are captured over here. I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the name of the customer, email address, and the mobile number. So now we want that the customer details should be collected into the stack by table. So come to this action window. Here in the choose application, let us find stack by. Here in the action event, we have to select create a row. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now here it is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. Log into your stack by account. After login, click on your profile, move to account, then scroll down to the API key. So I'll just take you to my stack by account. So this is my stack by dashboard. Here we have to come to profile and click on account. And when we scroll down, here we can find the API key. So if you want to regenerate the API key, by clicking on this button, you can regenerate the API key, or else I'll simply copy this key from here, and we will be pasting the same key over here in Pabbly Connect. And simply click on save. Okay, and here we can see that the stack by account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the workspace name, stack, and the table. So I'll just take you to my stack by account once again. Here I have created several workspaces. my first workspace, second workspace. Here I have created a workspace named Gravity Response. I'm just going to open this particular workspace, and in this particular workspace I have created a stack named Form. And in this particular stack I have created a table named Contact, where I have taken the columns for the name, email address and the mobile number of the customer, just the basic columns. If you want to add some more columns, by clicking on this plus sign you can add the columns as per your requirement. So let us select the workspace name, stack name and table name over here in Pabbly Connect. So the workspace name was Gravity Response. So in this particular workspace I have created just one stack and one table. So the stack name and the table name is automatically captured. Now here we have to give the name of the customer, email address and the mobile number. So we have already got these details from the form submission through the Gravity forms. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay, let us map them one by one. I'm just going to map the name from Gravity forms, and the name was Shikha Arya. Here we have to map the email address. So the email address was shikhaarya25@gmail.com, and here we have to map the mobile number. So let us map the mobile number over here. Okay, so we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. Now let us check our stack by table. And here we can find the name of the customer as Shikha Arya, her email address and the mobile number. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that I'll just move to the Gravity form once again and I will fill up the form on the name of some other customer. So let us fill the form details over here. I'm just going to give the full name as Harsh Gupta. Let's add the email address as guptah11@gmail.com. And I'm just going to add the mobile number over here. And let's click on Submit. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let us check our stack by table. Okay, and here we can see the new entry. The name of the customer was Harsh Gupta, his email address and the mobile number. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Gravity Forms and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the form submission, that is the customer details, and the same details are added to your stack by table. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Gravity Forms and stack by using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.